Hello adventurers! Meet the CAMPLUX portable propane water heater and shower pump, your ultimate companion for camping, hiking, glamping, and vacationing, offering instant hot water with the Nano 3 Max system. This innovative device features a real-time power level and temperature display, with a range of 50 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit and built-in overheat protection for your safety. With a high-capacity 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, enjoy up to 100 minutes of continuous use, and fast charging capabilities that reach 80% in just 1.5 hours. The easy assembly and operation with a quick connect design mean you can set it up in one simple step, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing shower wherever you are. Experience versatility with 3 adjustable water spray modes and a dedicated pet shower, perfect for bathing, pet washing, and even washing dishes. The all-in-one set includes everything you need, from a portable water heater and submersible pump kit to a pet shower sprayer and gas regulator, all conveniently packed in one bag for easy carrying. Whether you're camping, washing your car, or cleaning your pet, the CAMPLUX portable propane water heater and shower pump is your go-to solution for instant hot water on the go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.